There is a conflict between governor and government in Kerala. Conflict between governor and government in Kerala. A picture of Bharat Mata, that is Mother India, has triggered a confrontation between the governor of Kerala and state government of Kerala. At a recent function, the governor has placed a painting of Bharat Mata. At a recent function in Kerala, the governor of Kerala have placed a painting of Bharat Mata in the form of female figure, clad in a saffron color saree, with a spear in one hand and standing with a lion behind her, against a backdrop of the map of India. The painting had been placed in a room where official functions are held at Raj Bhavan. A tall brass lamp was placed before this garlanded picture. Before any official function begins, the governor bows before it, offers flowers and lights the lamp. The chief minister and other ministers in Kerala has raised objections on the ground that this picture of Bharat Mata is not recognized by the constitution or any law, unlike the national anthem, national flag or national symbols. Therefore, the government of Kerala seems to have taken a position that it will not participate in any official function organized by the governor where that Bharat Mata picture is displayed. The slogan Bharat Mata Ki Jai was an emotional cry of the freedom fighters, which would electrify the minds of people who were fighting for freedom during colonial rule. So now the conduct of governor is in question. So in Kerala, the governor versus government issue is not new. There are many occasions where there was a conflict between Kerala governor and government. So if you observe, nowhere in the constitution or nowhere in the national symbols, the picture of Bharat Mata was portrayed. But the governor have taken that picture and he regularly bows before the picture before he starts the official function. Since no picture of Bharat Mata in any form has been recognized in our constitution or in any national symbols, such a picture cannot be a part of any official function organized by the government. It may be noted that this picture of Bharat Mata is only used by RSS and BJP. But I can tell you, Bharat Mata is an emotion, Bharat Mata is a feeling, Bharat Mata is a divine entity, Bharat Mata is a sentiment, I can tell you. So, whether the governor can take independent decisions or not is a big question. Whether the governor can take independent decisions or not is a big question. I can tell you here, governor being a symbolic head, can he, in the official functions, can he start the function with that picture or not is a big question. I can tell you, if you want to make anything as a controversy, you can make it. But officially, governor is not authorized. But again, there's no wrong in doing that. There's no harm in doing that. So I can tell you, the personification of Bharat Mata as a mother figure, it was first done by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in his Anandamath, personification of Bharat Mata. Even I do remember Aurobindo Ghosh. He says, nation is not a piece of earth. Nation is not a figure of speech. Nation is not a fiction of mind. It's a goddess. It's a divine entity. Nation is not a piece of earth. Nation is not a figure of speech. Nation is not a fiction of mind. It's a goddess, Mahishasura Mardini. So, personification of Mother India is not a crime again. But the question here is whether the governor is allowed to do that before the official function or not is a big question. It's not that personification is good or bad is not a question. Okay.